Hello! I have had a lot of questions about this project in the recent issue of Crafty Babe magazine. So I am going to teach you how to add pockets to your altered book. Here are just a few examples of some of my past projects and entries into these altered books. Just as an example, I've used just regular 6x8 inserts, and I've made my own with my fuse tool. So let's get into it. Okay, you are going to need a cutting mat of some kind that you can slide between the pages, and also a utility knife. I am just looking for 2 pages here that I am going to cut about a 1-inch line between the 2 pages right by the spine. So I'm just measuring here, taking my utility knife and cutting down that 1 inch on both of the pages. Okay, now you can see I've got these 2 1-inch slices right on the spine of my book, and that is going to be the perfect place to add in my sheet protector or my pocket. So I'm just recycling this old cut up baseball card protector. I'm going to trim it down to 4 card pockets here, and I'm going to use the 2 holes that are on the left side. Next thing you need are 2 brads, just pulling out some orange ones that are coordinating with the color scheme that I'll use for this page. You will want to nestle your pockets in there, and if your page protector does not have holes, you can use a 1-hole punch to punch your holes, but this one already has it. So what I'm going to do is take my pencil and just make a little mark where both of my holes are, or however many holes your page protector has. You'll need that many brads to adhere it. So now I'm just going to put a little slice where those pencil marks were through both of those little 1-inch pages. I'm going to slide my page protector back in and shove my brads through the holes. And there you have it, a perfectly attached pocket page for your altered book.